What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another thrilling episode. Let's show you the space that we're going to remodel, this bath and shower. We have the cold air blowing. It is a hot day. It is demo day. And here's the floor, 12 by 12 ceramic. Now, we removed this exact floor in the other bathroom. It came up very quick and easy. Bad bond equals easy removal for us. Replacing the floor, toilet, this cabinet will stay. A new custom top will be installed, undermount sink. Faucet, of course, all of your fixtures, deco light, mirrors will be replaced. This will be replaced as well. Here's the shower. Corner shower, 2 walls. Fiberglass pan will come out easy. We have Corian full panels here. 2 panels. So again, easy removal. We'll delete this valve, install a new mixing valve, raise the shower head, and we will have custom glass installed, frameless, for this shower remodel. All right, it's time to have some fun. Swipe our gym memberships, get a little bit of a workout, and remove this existing floor and shower. All right, lunchtime. Gonna get us some pastor. Here we go. This is our restaurant for the day. The best pastor in town. Comes out of a food truck. Grilled onions, jalapeno. And we're back to the site. Shower has been demoed. Walls are nice and plumb, fortunately. We're going to delete this right here, install our new valve, of course, drain kit. We're going to increase the size of this shower about 4 to 5 inches. Frame our 12 by 28 inch niche for this back wall. Get our Kerdi board up, get everything waterproofed, get everything ready for tile tomorrow. Time to get back to work. Time to cut and install our backer board. And there it is. We increased this niche by 1.5 inches, if you can see this little sliver here, so that we have full tiles ending at the bottom with full tiles in the back as well as full tiles at the top. No notches anywhere around this 12 by 28 inch niche. Actually, it's a 13.5 by 28 inch niche. So you can always fabricate and customize these Schluter niches to acquire a perfect layout with whatever size tiles you have. This is going to be the rough curb. Right now it's at 2 3/4. You add 1 inch for tile on both sides as well as thin set, giving you a 3 3/4 inch wide curb. Low profile, 3 inches tall as well. We like these much better. They look more modern, they're smaller, and they're easier to step over. Let's waterproof with band and install our shower pan. Well, there it is, folks. Custom niche, 13.5 by 28 inches. Well, that's it for this episode. On the next one, we begin our tile installation. So make sure to tap that bell notification down there. Tap like. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there, and I'll see you all on the next one.